Hey y'all, I'm in here recording a try-on video. Whew. Try-on videos always get me hot and bothered. Alright, let me go ahead and do this. So, as you can see, well, I was doing good. I was doing good. I was cleaning up as I went along. So, it doesn't look too bad in here. I have my purses I wanted to put with my outfits, and as soon as I took them off, I popped them right back on the hangers and put them over there. Hey, tutorial camera. We over here filming on this camera, the tutorial. This camera, we are doing our vlogs. Also, I did my nails today. Had to do that with, what's this, Nail Addict nail polishes right here. The intro and I guess the outro. Alright, let me do that real quick. So, y'all sit here and watch me do this. The intro and I guess the outro. Alright, let me do that real quick. So, y'all sit here and watch me do this. Sometimes like I take a deep breath because I talk so fast and I didn't know how fast I talk. Until I play videos back to myself like, girl, what did you say? Calm down, slow down. People used to always tell me I talk fast, but I never knew it until I started doing tutorials. So let me... Because my family's used to me talking like that, so they understand what I'm saying, so... Hey y'all, hey, it's Amir Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be doing a try-on haul with a couple items I've been collecting. Girl, I'm all over the place. Alright, let me film the end part. So what y'all think about my pieces? I really do like. So anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Girl, I don't know what the heck I was saying. Girl, I don't know what the heck I was saying. I was just rambling on, but I like to just say stuff naturally. I don't like to have a script too much because they don't feel natural or organic. So I want to just say whatever comes to my mind. Oh, I gotta say these two. Hey y'all, hey, it's Amir Renee. Welcome to the vlog. I'm on my way to Aldi. I want to grab a vegetable for today's dinner. What am I making? Making some chicken, rice, and I think I'm going to grab some asparagus. Yeah, I think I'm going to grab some asparagus. My hands are so ashy because I keep washing them, keep using hand sanitizer. No, you know, point of putting lotion on because I'm about to use some hand sanitizer as soon as I go in this market. But let's go grab dinner. And these are my curls. If you want to see how I got these pretty curls. I haven't worn my hair curly like this in so long with rods or curlers, rollers, anything. I'll leave the link to that video here and down in the description box below. What else? Okay, that's it. So let's go ahead. We're going to just chill today. We're going to go make dinner and I don't know what else after that. So let's go, y'all.
They thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Now you push me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things like getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Never gonna not hit that. Your love is just too me. And every time you hit my phone, you say you need company. I'm a renegade boy. 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 Girl, you used to being quiet till I brought that loud. You say your dollars is a mountain. Hey, your mama, your accountant. You watch your figures, you a big deal. Got your fresh prince and a big...
Made it back in the house, y'all. So this is what I got from Aldi's. Just went in for a vegetable, but you know how that go. Got this creamer. It's non-dairy. Peppermint mocha. Oh, I can't wait to try that. Some kettle corn. Chocolate covered clustered nuts. Some black seedless grapes. These grapes are so freaking good. I'm wash them off and start eating them now. Asparagus. Some bread and some coconut with topping, dairy free. And when I sat past my mother's house, she had made this soup. Let me show you. She pinned it to me on Pinterest. She made this soup. What is this? Sausage, potato soup. It looked like it. Don't it look like it, y'all? So I'll have some soup probably for tomorrow. I have chicken thighs I cut up into like chunks, and I just season them with cayenne pepper, garlic, salt, black pepper. Have some butter on the stove right now. I'm about to pan sear these, and we're gonna use better than bouillon roasted chicken base. Gonna make our rice. This is garlic and olive oil jasmine rice, and for my asparagus, nice clean cut. I just put drizzle some olive oil on them, and I think I want to season it with this butter steakhouse seasoning.
I'm a Renard boy. I'm a Renard boy.
Yo, major keys on the boss. Don't Griselda go off. Left from the loft and went to Bergdorf. Most of these dudes is really quite soft. 45 special, this is my cloth. About to drop an album, this is my fourth. I don't put sugar in my spaghetti sauce. Drop a freestyle and get these hoes perched. Fire burn, the orb your
girls, when my girls get it right. It's just another day. Let your light shine bright. Ain't none of them in your life. Me have the game pan like they want cool. Just link with some hot girl out the road. Me have the way small, pretty boss wine. Rolex and the pan and dirty girl tie. Yo, I told him pull up on me, vested in Danica. That's on the lawn trying to blow him like harmonicas. He call me queen, he know Nicki is the moniker. He wanna mix between Hillary and Monica. I switch it up, I switch it up. Rip the beat and I switch it up.
Dinner is prepared. Asparagus, chicken, and some rice.
Bounced up all Sinead, sir. Barbie, a link up major laser.
I'm a Renard boy. I'm a Renard boy.
I'm in a bad vlog this week. I don't know why I've been forgetting to pick up my camera. Sorry, y'all, but I just recorded a video. It's called like a, what you want to call it? Like an empties video. So I'm showing y'all, let me show y'all. Everything that I've been liking, not liking. All the empty products I have in this big old Trader Joe's bag. So I'm just telling y'all if I like the products. If I don't like it, would I repurchase them or not? It was cute, fun little video. So that should be posted probably before this one. And I did straighten up my little area right here because this was looking a hot mess. So I straightened up everything. And now I'm getting ready to go downstairs and jump in the shower and get ready for the night. Yeah, we did cook today. We had a real chill day today. Yeah, went to the market. Cooked, record some footage, record a tutorial and a snippet for another, well, intro, outro for another video that I have coming up. And yeah, that's it. So I had a good day today with y'all. And that is it. Tomorrow, girl, I don't even want to keep going back to Sam's Club because they get on my nerves. Hopefully I ain't got to get some out these people. I don't want to be that person. Yeah, I don't even want to think about that, but alright, y'all, that's it for tonight, and I guess why am I doing this to my hand? Alright, I'm going to try to show y'all my nails. They're cute. It's supposed to be like a fiery red, but it's giving me neon. But alright, y'all, that's it for this video tonight. Let me go ahead and wash my face and get in the shower. Night, night. See y'all tomorrow.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't.
Oh, should I get this color? Oh yeah, large is too big.
No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be time.
now. Hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, quick things. Well, all right then. From you see me a clean.